Agricultural Engineering University was established in October of 1968. The Decree Law of May 22, 1989, also authorized the teaching of forestry engineering in this center. This is the way the ETSIUM, Teaching School of Agricultural and Forestry Engineering, was born. During the academic year of 1999-2000, studies in enology also started to be taught in partnership with the University of Cadiz. Nowadays, the University of Agricultural and Forestry Engineering is located at the campus of Rabanales. 3 kilometers away from Cordoba, its modern installations are equipped with the latest technologies. The University of Cordoba has become one of the best equipped in Europe. Outstanding services such as Wi-Fi hotspots, library and e-library, career advisor offices, research and experimentation areas, Lucano students' residences, public transportation nearby, and modern sports facilities are advantages available in the campus. Currently, we could also add that under construction is the Research and Development Technological Park. An agricultural engineer is a highly qualified professional with broad versatility. He or she is competent in the agricultural, food, and environmental fields. Through the knowledge acquired, the agronomist can manage efficiently and innovatively traditional tasks such as farming and agricultural exploitations, green areas typical for gardening, landscaping, and engineering projects like irrigation systems, country roads, silo storage, and development of co-op farming. Moreover, the agronomist will be able to work on advanced research fields such as biotechnology, renewable energies, agro-food industry, traceability and certification processes, management, marketing, and trade of agricultural processes, methods of rural development, ecological production, improvement of animal genetics, etc. Along with forestry engineers, agricultural engineers are the only ones to interact directly with the environment and support a development of sustainably using natural resources. Throughout these studies, students will acquire diverse skills such as solving problems creatively, initiative and critical analysis, leadership, communicating and passing on knowledge, development of activities making a social, ethical, and environmental commitment, always with reference to reality and adapting to changeable environments and situations. Since its founding, the University of Cordoba has produced thousands of agricultural engineers. Many of these graduates now have important positions in government and private sectors. Internships in companies and international mobility have a remarkable importance in agricultural engineers' learning curriculum. Many agreements are held between the ETSIUM, companies, and agricultural administrations to facilitate students' internships. This, together with the final degree project, constitutes the first approach to working life and makes the incorporation into the labor world easier. University studies in forestry engineering have a long tradition of more than 150 years. It's an ancient profession still in existence that has enabled a vast contribution and commitment to defense and preservation of nature, as well as the sustainable management of forests and natural resources. This legacy was inherited 20 years ago by the University of Cordoba, allowing the training of more than 750 forestry engineers. 96.5% of them got a job in the first 6 months after finishing their studies. As 21st century professionals, they are qualified and have the best equipment and technological tools to practice a profession full of possibilities, experiences, and innovative challenges. This way, the increase in production of vegetation cover as carbon drain that is so important to compensate greenhouse effect gas emissions, to slow down erosion processes, and for the hydrological regulation. As a consequence, they facilitate the prosperity of a society that directly depends on forestral scenery. The forestry engineer develops and applies science and technology to plan, manage, and protect the forests. In relation to synergetic fish and forest wealth, they study and plan the reforestation and restocking of impoverished areas. Likewise, it develops methods to control and fight against plagues and tree diseases. He or she is a specialist who sets the priorities for the defense against fires in both prevention and firefighting. On the other hand, they have an important role in the protection, good use, and development of wild water and land fauna. Vital background training is also given to forestry engineers for primary and secondary forestry products. The degree in enology qualifies students to carry out all activities related to vineyard cultivation techniques and methods, as well as production of wines, musts, and other products that come from vines, their analysis, storage, management, and conservation. Likewise, the graduate in enology is qualified to carry out all activities related to technical and sanitary conditions during the enologic process, including all sampling processes control, stocks control, expert reports, promotion and development of any product related directly or indirectly with viticulture, and those activities involved in research and innovation in the fields of enology and viticulture. Enologist training enables them to collaborate technically with companies and organizations that provide services to viticulture and carry out activities related to the legislation of the sector. Along the academic year, there are practical compulsory lessons in winery. Students keep in touch with companies from all around Spain and negotiate around 140 jobs for ETSIM graduates. The ETSIM for many years has been holding exchanges with other universities through different programs. The Socrates Erasmus Exchange Program allows around 50 students to go to European universities, as the same number of foreign European students are welcome at the ETSIM every year. The Sique Seneca program allows our students to study in other Spanish universities. Moreover, as a result of bilateral agreements between European and Latin American universities, students can obtain double professional degrees in agriculture and forestry fields. The high quality of training given to graduates of the ETSIM, along with the exceptional expertise of the faculty, make ETSIM a national and internationally renowned research center enjoying a very high level of prestige.